Morning everyone, my name is Sahrani Zalianti. I will explain about here are the general formulas, definition and 3 examples relate to chemistry and science for each of the 16 tense in English. 1. Simple present. Formula subject plus verb 1 s or s plus object. Definition: describe habitual action, general truths or facts. Example: scientists study chemical reaction in the lab. 2. Water boils at 100 derajat Celsius. 3. Carbon bonds with hydrogen to form hydrocarbon. 2. Present continuous. Formula: subject plus is or am or are plus verb ing plus object. Definition: describe ongoing action happening at the moment of speaking. Example: researchers are observing the chemical reaction right now. 2. The compound is reacting with an acid. 3. I'm analyzing the pH level. 3. Present perfect. Formula: subject plus has or have plus verb 3 plus object. Definition: describe action completed at an unspecified time in the past, often relevant to the present. Example: scientists have discovered a new element. I have measured the boiling point of the substance. They have completed the experiment successfully. 4. Simple past. Formula: subject plus verb 2 plus object. Definition: describe completed action in the past. Example: the scientists isolated the substance. They synthesized a new compound. I analyzed the sample yesterday. 5. Present perfect continuous. Formula: subject plus has or have plus been plus verb ing plus object. Definition: describe action that started in the past and are still ongoing. Example: chemists have been studying this compound for years. I have been conducting experiments on this substance. We have observing change in the reaction rate. 6. Past continuous. Formula: subject plus was or were plus verb ing plus object. Definition: describe action in a process at a specific time in the past. Example: the researcher was examining the compound. I was measuring the reaction rate. They were preparing the solution. 7. Past perfect. Formula: subject plus had plus verb 3 plus object. Definition: describe action completed before another past action. Example: the chemists had completed the experiment by noon. They had analyzed the sample before publishing the result. They had collected the data when they arrived. 8. Past perfect continuous. Formula: subject plus had plus been plus verb ing plus object. Definition: describe ongoing action that were happening until another past action occurred. Example: the team had been analyzing the data for hours. I had been preparing the solution before the lab closed. They had been researching the effect of temperature. 9. Simple future. Formula: subject plus will plus verb 1 plus object. Definition: describe action that will happen in the future. Example: the scientists will test a new theory tomorrow. We will analyze the sample next week. I will record the reaction rate. 10. Future continuous. Formula: subject plus will plus be plus verb ing plus object. Definition: describe action that will be ongoing at a specific future time. Example: the research will be conducting the experiment at 9 am. I will be measuring the pH level down direction. They will be synthesizing the compound tomorrow. 11. Future perfect. Formula: subject plus will plus have plus verb 3 plus object. Definition: describe action that will be completed before a specific future time. Example: the scientists will have completed the research by next year. I will have analyzing a sample by noon. They will have finished synthesizing the chemical. 12. Future perfect continuous. Formula: subject plus will plus have plus been plus verb ing plus object. Definition: describe ongoing action that will continue until a specific future time. Example: the chemists will have been researching for 3 years by then. I will have been observing direction for hours. They will have been collecting data since the experiment started. 13. Simple present passive. Formula: subject plus is or am or are plus verb 3 plus object. Definition: describe general or habitual action in the passive form. Example: chemical reactions are studied in labs. Elements are classified by atomic number. Data is recorded after each experiment. 14. Present continuous passive. Formula: subject plus is or am or are plus being plus verb 3 plus object. Definition: describe ongoing action in passive form. Example: a solution is being prepared by the chemist. The data is being analyzed. Samples are being examined for purity. 15. Past passive. Formula: subject plus was or were plus verb 3 plus object. Definition: describe completed action in the past in passive form. Examples: the substance was isolated yesterday. The data was collected by the research. The compound was synthesized last week. 16. Future passive. Formula: subject plus will plus be plus verb 3 plus object. Definition: describe future action in passive form. Example: the result will be published next month. The new compound will be synthesized tomorrow. The data will be recorded after the experiment.